And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker meteorologist, Skylar Spindler.
Well, I hope when you headed out the door this morning, you did grab an umbrella, because on the satellite and radar, we are watching the rain starting to move into the Providence area. Even a lot of the coastal area already seeing rain at this hour. Watches and warnings at this time. We do have that winter storm warning that's going to be in effect until Wednesday at 8 a.m. So it's because this nor'easter just circling off the coast here is going to really start to bring in a bang later on today, or not today, but tomorrow. So what we're doing for tonight is we're going to have these increasing rains through the overnight hours. You can see tonight about 7:30 how heavy this map is covered, but the good news here, we're not below freezing. So for Providence area, we're still in those upper 30s and 40s heading into the evening hours. We do have some heavier rains that are going to be moving through in the overnight hours. You can see here how heavy those rains are by tomorrow morning. The thing is, you can see the snow rain line setting up just north of us. So as you get up close to Worcester, you can kind of see the temperature changing. You can see that rain snow line. They have a much higher elevation in this area. So when you're talking about 1,700 feet versus close to sea level here, that's a bit of a difference as you're heading through the upper elevations. So you're going to see more snow as you head up into those areas. Now, for us here, yes, we're going to have some snow in the atmosphere. Does it make it to the ground when you get close to the coastal area? Some places it will. And you will even see it in the afternoon. So the problem is, here's the low pressure moving through. So you can almost see that swirling in the atmosphere, but we're still remaining above freezing. So that's the biggest issue here. Do we get below freezing? And even though we have snow growth in the atmosphere, it doesn't make it to the ground. So it's almost a very big letdown. It's like, if we're gonna get some snow, let us get some snow, right? So here's our day planner getting through the day. So we are gonna be seeing those rain showers moving in this evening around 7 o'clock. But again, you see the temperatures here. We still stay in those 40s around Providence. Tomorrow's highs, kind of the same as what we're seeing today, those low 40s to mid 40s around the area. But here's a look at the snow model forecast. So a couple of these runs we went through, and we can kind of see just to the north of us. So just slightly to the north of us, check out some of these numbers. But if you see right here where Providence is coming into play, there's another gradient line, a gradient line above it. So you see how quickly this changes as soon as you get into the northern elevations. So even showing only Boston coming in about an inch and a half, however, actually true Providence Central 0.6, so less than an inch. So as far as what we're talking about in terms of snowfall, I would say anywhere along the coastal area, we're probably going to be about a chance to 2 inches. And then, of course, the further north you head outside of Providence, the more snow totals you're going to get. So the northern part of the state, you could see 2 to 4 inches, and then heading up towards the turnpike, that's where you're going to start to get more accumulation. So let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. A little messy. That nor'easter starts to roll in tomorrow. So just be prepared for a little bit of everything with this. So we're going to have the rain. We're going to have that mixing in the afternoon. We're going to get some snow in this. But if you guys are further south and towards the coast, it could be slightly disappointing for you. However, don't forget, we're going to have some really heavy winds that are going to accompany the storm. So we could see those, tropical storm winds. So we're looking at 50-mile-an-hour gusts around the coastal areas. Rain sticks around through Wednesday, that snow rain mix, depending on where you are in this area. But you know what, 50 degrees by Thursday. So can we just get through today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, get this thing out of here, and then we got some sunshine and 50 for the high.
I'll say, Skylar, yeah, a lot to prepare for, no question about it. The preparation